Welcome to the channel. This is CEO Trades, where money works for you. Today is July 16th. It's 8:43 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are live on what is happening in the markets, especially with crypto right now. And well, very similar with stocks as well. What is happening? We'd like to take a look at some of the news and see how it is affecting the crypto market and the stock market. What should you expect? What should you do? Is it a time to buy? Is it a time to sell? Are you worried? Are you filled with fear? Well, let's take a look at this right now. Latest news: Doge, XRP 88 take price hit while Bitcoin technicals show lack of buyer interest. There's a lot of fear right now, and a lot of people are getting ready to sell. Why? I believe more than anything, it's because Grayscale's getting ready to pour, I believe it's 41,000 Bitcoins into the market, and they're afraid that it's going to lose lots of value. It's possible that it can lose some value. However, there's good news behind that. What else is on here? Square announces new DeFi ecosystem on top of Bitcoin. Jack Dorsey, the Twitter CEO and founder of Square Inc., today announced the launch of TBD, a new open source development program on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. Awesome. Let's see. Tennessee City plans to accept Bitcoin for tax payments. Awesome. Mayor Scott Conger is determined to turn Jackson into a major cryptocurrency hub. Congratulations, Mayor Scott Conger. That is awesome. Square to build a new open developer platform focusing on Bitcoin. Yes. Michael Saylor doesn't think Bitcoin is going to be currency in the US ever. The MicroStrategy boss thinks Bitcoin is a form of property and points out that the US government is not threatened by other forms of property. Wild news in reference to Bitcoin. But what is happening with the other currencies that are out there? What is happening with the other currencies that are out there? Let's see. How about Doge? What the talk of the town is for Doge. As we look into this, let's see, wait here because it takes a little time to load up and see what headlines are out there and how do you utilize this to your advantage. Most people right now are filled with fear. They don't know what to do. Do you know anyone like that? I know a couple of people like that who've reached out and told me, what do I do? What do I do? Wooha, Busta Rhymes checks in on crypto, eyes Dogecoin. Awesome. Twitter reacts to Dogecoin co-founder's astonishing anti-crypto rant. Well, at times I'm certain people will talk both, either positive and negative. That's just the reality. What could be the next target for Dogecoin? Hmm. There isn't much news on Dogecoin. Let's see. XRP. I know XRP is in the middle of a lawsuit still, and they are getting ready to have some type of subpoena or something like that, or I'm not too familiar with the legal terms in reference to the court system. However, there is some type of action to acquire some high-end witness who used to be part of the SEC, I believe, the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple last week, a better BTC SEC saga trudges on. McCaleb dumps more XRP. There he's dumping. Ripple partner SoftBank leads 800 million funding round for XRP. Cardano XRP Litecoins markets are missing this, and here's how they can find it. Bitcoin has not made any noise in the crypto market of late. It has chosen to confine itself within the 30 to 40K price band. Yep, we know that. There isn't much talk in reference to these coins. Let's take a look at two more. ADA, which was mentioned in here, and see what's going on in the news there. And as I show you these last two in the crypto, I'm going to tell you why there's opportunity. Crypto analyst predicts all-time highs for two altcoins, maps out path ahead for Cardano, Polkadot, and Chainlink. Fabulous. This is 2 days ago. So there isn't any current news on there. Grayscale adds hot altcoin Cardano to large cap fund ahead of key update. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And the last one here is Tron case. Let's see. Tron case is probably worth around 5 cents a coin. Let's see as it gets ready to come up. Maybe I just typed in too much. Let's just do Tron and see what happens. All right, let's see the news. Yep, it's worth at 0.056 a coin. Cardano Tron Aave price analysis. As Bitcoin's price tanked today, all major altcoins were trading in the red too. As observed with the altcoins, many of them trailed below their crucial support levels, awaiting a retracement. ADA's market cap declined by 4%. There isn't much news either. But what do you do right now? Because there isn't much news. What is the trend right now? Look at the charts, see where it's going. Right now, you can see that on Tron case, it's just on a downhill, and it attempted right here in the last hour or so, 30 minutes or so. It attempted to go up, and it failed right at 0.056. It's back down to 0.056. It's all 0.056. That's how close this is. It's very close to each other. But keep searching, because if you're just relying on me to give you information on how I would invest or someone else, eventually you're going to run into a trap, because you're not going to get the information you want. You're not going to know what to do. And you're going to be filled with fear that you're going to sell at the wrong times. Look at Ethereum. It's in the 1800s. I'm expecting this to go down even a bit further to at least 1700s by next week. Bitcoin is already at 31,000. I'm expecting this to go down to 27, 28, maybe even 26, according to some experts out there. EOS is down to 355. I like all these stocks, all these cryptos that are here, and I diversify into them. Even though I put myself heavyweight on one, I will put a little bit into each and every other one, so that we can outdo the weather as it comes through, whether it's a storm or a wave or hail or whatever it may be. I want to make certain that I have some sort of cushion, backup support from some of the other coins. All of these are very good coins: BAT, Matic, Doge, Tron Case, Tron, ADA, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, EOS, and there are many others. Safe Moon I like as well, and I'm holding out for the long term. This is the catch, that by the time that December comes around, all of this will be in a better margin of interest for those of us who stick around. Right now, it looks horrible. It doesn't look too great. And while people are selling, there are a few who are looking for opportunities in purchasing, waiting for the markets to fall even more. And as that happens, you guess that your guess should be as good as mine, that the whales are going to jump in and take advantage of the situation. For the longer term, they're not going to invest for a very long time, but until a certain goal is met, just like I am. And that is a normal goal in the crypto markets. But on the stock market side, that's a different story. But we'll talk about that on another occasion. And for now, I'd say that if you keep looking at the charts, eventually you'll see something there. You'll be able to notice a difference in each crypto coin and how it's moving and how it's reacting to the overall conditions of the market. This is your chance to invest, earn, and get returns multiplied eventually. But taking a risk is all that it has to that you have to do, is take a risk, do some research, and take one of these coins. As much as you don't know which one to take, you're going to have to take some estimated guess in regards to the research that you do or the news that you hear. These are my picks, and these will remain here for quite some time. And I suggest you start to have your own picks so that you can start researching your own coins for your advantage. Please like, subscribe, and share this channel, because if you share, you care. And that's how we grow together as a family. And we provide you with the utmost information in reference to educating you on how to invest. Stay safe. Have a wonderful weekend. And until Monday.